Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, you need to turn off the water to the refrigerator. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water filter manifold assembly in the GE refrigerator. It's going to be a relatively short job. It will only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 5/16" nut driver, a 1/4" nut driver, and 2 1/2" open-ended wrenches. When you open up the package, you are going to get a new water filter manifold assembly. The main reasons why you would be replacing the water filter manifold assembly are because the water is no longer dispensing or there is a leak around the water filter. The first thing we'll do is disconnect the water supply line from the refrigerator. We will use 2 open-ended 1/2" wrenches. Make sure that the water is turned off. Now we will remove the rear access panel. Using a 5/16" nut driver, I'm taking the 6 screws that holds the panel out and then removing the access panel. Here you can see the water inlet valve with the line from the water filter manifold attached to the top. It's a good idea to have a small towel just in case water will drip out of the tube. We will use a 1/2" open-ended wrench to unscrew and remove the water line. The next step is to take out 2 1/4" screws holding the water line cover up on the top left corner and remove the cover. The 1/4" nut driver will help you do this. Lift up on the permagum with your finger so we'll have a larger opening and it will be easier to pull out the manifold assembly. Now follow me to the front of the refrigerator and open the fresh food door. Here's the water filter in the upper right corner mounted onto the manifold. Turn the filter counterclockwise until it comes out. Be careful, it's full of water. Next, pull off the manifold cover. It comes straight out. Now, using the 1/4" nut driver, we will take out the 2 screws holding the water filter manifold in place. Now, we can pull the manifold assembly straight out. Here's the old water filter manifold assembly next to the new one. If you have it, good. If not, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. The manifold assembly comes from the factory equipped with a filter bypass cap. If you're not planning to use the filter, you can leave it in. If you are using the filter, then you have to remove it. It's very easy. You just turn it counterclockwise until it pops out. Let's install the new water filter manifold. Thread the water lines through the opening in the rear wall. Secure the filter manifold with 2 screws by using our famous 1/4" nut driver. Slide on the cover. Put the water filter in by matching these 2 arrows and turn the filter clockwise until it locks in. Now we can close the fresh food door and go around to the back. Okay, here at the back we need to make sure that the opening around the water tubes are sealed. So just push the permagum around the tubing. It should be airtight so it can prevent warm air from getting inside the refrigerator. Now let's install the cover to the water lines. Use 2 screws and the same 1/4" nut driver. Here we see 2 water lines with different connectors. The one with the nut should be connected to the water inlet valve. The other one with the union connector should be connected to the water supply line. We will use the 1/2-inch wrench to tighten it. Then we need to connect the second water line to the water supply line. You will use 2 1/2-inch wrenches. Do not over-tighten it. Turn on the water and check for any leaks at the back and at the water filter. And now we can install the access cover. I would like to point on these 3 tabs. They have to interlock with the base of the refrigerator. Get all those 5/16-inch screws in with the 5/16-inch nut driver. Alright, stop being comfortable, get off the floor, let's plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.